Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today it's going to be another trying to fix video. So a video where I bought something faulty on eBay and I do my best to fix it. So in here we have, I think it's an Xbox controller, and it is. Right, okay, let me show you the listing for this one and show you what I've paid. So this is a listing here, and as you can see I paid $15.99 for it, and it says here Xbox One Vortex Blue controller spares or repair. So it was free delivery, so $15.99, that was the price that it came delivered. And it just says down here, Vortex Blue Xbox One controller spares or repair, bumper buttons faulty. So let's have a look here. Yeah, and they certainly are. Right, okay, so I don't even need to connect it up to my Xbox. I can feel now that that one's fine and this one's been jammed in. Everything else feels okay. Obviously I don't know if it's going to be okay or not, but it all looks good. I've got the nice original Xbox back here. Everything looks nice and clean. Hopefully this might be more of a mechanical problem rather than a electrical one. So let's there we go. Right, I think that has fixed it. Now the reason I thought that is because years ago when the Xbox One first of all came out, I dropped my controller and then I didn't realise it had bashed in there, and then when I went to use it, it kept whizzing across the dashboard, across the different screens, and I thought there was something faulty with the analog sticks, but it wasn't. It was because this has been bashed in. So as you can see now, I've just popped that out, and now that feels to be okay. So let's plug it in to the Xbox One and see if it's all working. If it is, I think that has to be probably the quickest trying to fix video you're ever going to see from me. But who knows, there might be other faults with it, but it feels okay now. It's definitely jammed and now it feels okay. I've got to check the USB port as well. Right, let me get the Xbox One set up. Right, okay, so good news. I gave it a bit of a clean and also put batteries in. It synced up first time and now the bumpers seem to be working fine. Let me go onto this bit here because it's kind of more responsive. You can see it's moving up on there when I do that. So all appears to be working good. Right, so let me just plug a USB in, make sure that that port up the top is working. So it's dead now. Yeah, I felt it vibrate and there we go, it's come to life. So that's working, so the last thing I have to check is the headphone jack. I'm sure it's going to be fine because everything else is fine. Just pop the batteries back in. Right, so I'm just going to plug the headphone jack in. And now hopefully in the top corner we'll get the headset symbol. Oh, I need to turn it on. Okay, so the headset symbols come up, so let's try Cortana. Hey Cortana, what time is it in Florida, America? There we go, so that's come up there. So that's working fine. Let me just check that the actual sound's coming out through the headphones themselves. Right, okay, there's no sound coming out through the headphones, but that could just be settings. So let's go to double tap on that and then go over to settings. And you see now when you've got a headset plugged in, it will come up with audio there. So go down to audio. And what happens is it will actually save the settings off the controller itself. So for example, you know, if there was two brothers, one brother had this controller, another brother had another controller, it will remember the settings on each controller. So if you have a look here, headset volume is really low, so I'm going to turn it right up because I've got a separate little volume switch here, and chat mixer, I'm going to put that in the middle, and also mic monitoring is in the middle as well. Right, so now I should have the sound through the headset, and I have. So if you listen there now, okay, so it's coming through the TV and here. So all in all, a bit of a bargain. I think that was, I think I was very lucky. Normally they are not that easy to fix. It was just a case of the bumper had got jammed. It just needed to be knocked back into place, because that's what happened when you drop these things. They often jam up the bumpers here. So it was a really simple one, and I think well, so far in all the trying to fix videos, that was easily the easiest one to do. But I think going forward, I think I will be very lucky to get anything that easy again. But it's nice to have an easy one for a change. So you might not have learnt much in this video, but if you are having problems with your bumpers, just double check, you know, just give them a wiggle just to get them back into position, and it might be as simple as the one that you've seen in this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.